Welcome, everyone. Today, we have an exciting experiment lined up, the crushing aggregate test. In this experiment, we'll explore the strength and durability of aggregates used in construction. Get ready to witness the science behind building materials in action. Apparatus required. Universal Testing Machine, UTM. The UTM is the primary equipment used for crushing the aggregate samples. 15 cm diameter open-ended steel cylinder. This steel cylinder acts as a container to hold the aggregate sample during the crushing test. It has an open end to allow for easy placement and removal of the sample. Plunger. The plunger is a flat, circular disc that fits snugly inside the steel cylinder. It is used to evenly distribute the compressive force from the UTM onto the aggregate sample. Weighing balance. A weighing balance is used to measure the weight of sample aggregate involved in the crushing test. IS sieves. IS sieves are a set of standardized sieves with different mesh sizes. The required IS sieve size are 12.5 mm, 10 mm, and 2.36 mm. Tamping rod. The tamping rod is a cylindrical steel rod with a rounded tip. It is used to compact the aggregate sample inside the steel cylinder before the crushing test. Procedures. Take the aggregate sample and pass it through 12.5 mm and 10 mm sieve. So the sample retained on the 10 mm sieve is taken and is filled in the cylindrical jar. When the jar is full, the sample weight is measured in the weighing balance. Let that weight be W1. Then the cylinder of test apparatus is kept on the base plate and 1/3 of the sample from cylindrical measure is transferred into cylinder and tamped 25 times by rounded end of the tamping rod. Similarly, aggregate in 3 layers of approximately equal depth, each layer being tamped 25 times by rounded end of the tamping rod. Then the cylinder with test sample and plunger in position is placed on compression testing machine. Load is then applied through the plunger at a uniform rate till the applied load reaches 400 kN. Aggregates including the crushed position are removed from the cylinder and sieved on a 2.36 mm IS sieve, and material which passes this sieve is collected and weighed. Let that weight be W2. Then the aggregate crushing value is defined as the ratio of weight of fines passing the specified IS sieve to the total weight of the sample, W1. Therefore, the aggregate crushing value for the sample aggregate is 25.86.